friends, today I am continuing with local search algorithm of heuristic or informed strategy. So let us start with hill climbing. What is hill climbing? Hill climbing is considered as local search algorithm in context that it keeps track of only local variables. That means this algorithm has no idea and is not concerned about global variable. In simple terms, this algorithm knows only about neighbors of current state and it does not have any idea about neighbors of neighbor. Hill climbing algorithm falls under greedy approach. Why? Because it tries to find the state that is better from current one. As this algorithm deals with only local variable, so a little and constant amount of memory is used. Besides, this algorithm never minimizes itself, that is, there is no concept of backtracking or moving back to some point. What is the approach followed here? So let us consider an example where a blind man is climbing hill. So how will he know that he is climbing? That is, up to when he senses that his steps are in elevation, that is moving upward, he will continue to move. But at some point when he will realize that his steps are not in elevation, that is either moving downward or moving on a parallel surface, he will stop there. Here is the concept of hill climbing. Consider a graph given on left. On right, algorithm is mentioned. So here red point shows the initialization or starting point. Now this algorithm will consider a neighbor of current state and compare them both. If current state is found to be better, then it will remain at same position, but if neighbor is better, then it will move to it and make it, then it will move to next state and make it as current one. Now this process will be continued and algorithm will keep moving upward until some peak point is reached. After reaching this peak point, algorithm will compare this current state to neighbors, but here the value of neighbors are found to be lower, so it will remain at this point only. This point will be made as goal and algorithm stops here. There are some limitations of this approach. So first drawback is of local maximum. Now what is local maximum? So when algorithm will reach to this point, it will experience a downhill afterward. So it will stop at this point and consider it as a peak value. But actually there exists a peak point which is higher than current one. So as algorithm experiences a downhill here, it cannot find the highest peak. So this peak where algorithm is stopping and assuming as highest peak is considered as local maximum, and this peak, which is actually the highest one, is known as global maximum. Now second drawback is you. What is it? So it is the condition where algorithm finds all the constant values like this. On seeing these constant values and not increasing ones, it can stop here, but assuming that these are the highest values, but the actual peak would be after that. So again algorithm will not find the peak point here. Now third limitation of this approach is ridge. So what is ridge? Two peaks are shown here. The one behind is lower than the one seen in front. So once algorithm reaches to this point, it will experience a downhill here. So it will stop at this point considering it as maximum, but the actual peak is here. So first algorithm moved in this direction, but to find second peak it has to move in this way by changing its direction. So hill climbing can never move downhill as well as cannot change direction of moving. Now what is steepest ascent? It is same as hill climbing, but instead of only considering an immediate neighbor, this algorithm considers a set of neighbors, and this set of neighbors is considered for comparison with current state to move ahead. Now assume this is the starting point. There will be no issue till this point, but after this point there is a small downhill here. So in this situation it will consider a set of points from neighbor, and from this set it finds that this point is better than the current one. So it will move to this point and again it climbing and move on, so on. Now what is stochastic hill climbing? This approach is similar to steepest ascent, but the only difference between them is this algorithm consider any random neighbor from set of neighbors. Now what is simulated annealing? So these all approaches like steepest ascent, stochastic hill climbing, simulated annealing are nothing but, we can say, types, or we can say these are extended versions of hill climbing. So this approach is a combination of random selection, as we have seen in stochastic hill climbing, and simple hill climbing. So first of all, whole search space is explored. So algorithm will come to know about value of global maximum. Now even if it reaches to local maximum and then experience a downhill, so it backtracks or minimizes again to some starting point or previous state, and thus it identifies local maximum. So this approach, simulated annealing, is able to handle both plateau and ridge. So here it can clearly be seen that first of all this is the starting point, it reached to local maximum, it identified it. So after identifying that this is a local maximum, it performed backtracking on itself and found an optimal way to reach to second peak, which is a global maximum value. Thank you.